Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this bread maker. This is really neat because it's actually for dough. So you will knead it and it ferments it for you. So all you gotta do is just put in your ingredients, which I've already got here. But this is a 5-quart stainless steel holder right here. Super nice. It does come with different measuring containers. You've got an egg strainer and a little dumpling maker. So that is really nice because you can do so many different things with it. You do have this nice screen all the way through here, so you can get to everything without having to bend over, do anything. On the top up here, you also have this little area that you can actually pull off if you wanted to add additional ingredients. Say your dough was looking too dry, you can add some more water without shutting the whole thing off. It just locks into place and everything locks in and out. So you have a nice clear top here, so you can watch the whole dough. You've got your nice stainless steel hook in here that will just swivel all around. And this even comes off. So you can easily store this, wash it, put it in the dishwasher, whatever you're wanting to do. But to make it, we're just gonna add in our ingredients and then we'll turn it on and let it go. And we will have some pizza. All right, so now that I've got all my stuff in there, we're gonna get our lid on, get that locked into place. And then to use this, you have your start stop. And right now we're just going to knead the dough. You can control how much you want to knead it from 40 minutes all the way down to 5 minutes. So let's just do 10 minutes. Then we're going to hit start and off it goes. That's a pretty quiet operation. That's not going to bother a whole lot if you're wanting to do something else. And then it'll just spin around, let the things fall down and keep going for the next 10 minutes. So then we'll check back in and start the fermenting process. So we've got this all kneaded, and this was really neat how it just kind of went and then it stopped, it let it sit, and then it goes again. Super quiet, and it has these nice non-slip like silicone grips on the bottom, so it's not rocking all over the place or doing anything. Now that we've got this all kneaded, I'm going to do the fermentation. So I hit start, fermentation, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the 120 minutes. I mean, you can bring it all the way down if you just want to do an hour or whatever you're wanting, but I'm gonna let this rise and then we'll hit start. This will make my dough nice and huge, and then we'll come back and see how this puppy does. This has been rising for about a half hour already, and it is doing a fantastic job. You can see the steam has now formed up all around there. We're gonna let it keep going and we'll check it here shortly. All right, my timer has now went off. So now we will check out our dough and see how it looks. Pull this off and ooh, that looks so good. That did an amazing job getting that all fluffed up, and all I had to do was simply add the ingredients, push a couple buttons, and walk away. I love how you can just pull this off, go take it wherever you need to take it, make up some pizza. This will be awfully tasty.